Applied microbiology, branch of biology in which study of the enzymes related to some prokaryotes and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, etc., is performed, is called as applied microbiology. This study is used for the society, and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social and environment-related processes and products are included. Various microbial processes useful for this purpose are carried out. Various productions with the help of fermentation process, eggs, bread, cheese, wine, raw material for chemicals, enzymes, nutrients, medicines, etc. Products. Dairy products. Since ancient days, milk is converted into various products for its preservation purpose. Cheese, butter, cream, kefir, yogurt, etc. Water content and acidity of the milk changes during formation of these products, and texture, taste and flavor is improved. These processes are performed on large scale with more skill. For production of most of the milk products, bacteria in milk itself are used. Only cheese is produced with the help of fungi. Basic process for production of yogurt, cheese and cream is same. Milk is pasteurized at the beginning to destroy unwanted microbes. It is then fermented with the help of lactobacilli. In this process, lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid, and milk proteins are coagulated with the help of lactic acid. Besides, compounds with taste and flavor are also formed. X. Diacetyl has the flavor of butter. Yogurt products. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli, inoculant. For maintaining the protein content, condensed milk powder is mixed with milk to be fermented for industrial production of yogurt. Milk is boiled, and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out, that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like compounds are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, various fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. Strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. Butter. Two types of butter like sweet cream and cultured are produced on large scale. Microbes are used for production of cultured variety. Cheese production. Cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First, chemical and microbiological tests of milk are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with milk. It imparts sourness to the milk. After this, to impart the dense texture, whey, water in yogurt, needs to be removed. An enzyme, rennet obtained from alimentary canal of cattle, was being traditionally used earlier. However, an enzyme protease obtained from fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. The whey is separated from yogurt. Then, process of production of cheese is started through steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, and mixing of essential microbes, pigments and flavors. Then, cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. Probiotics. These are also milk products, but contain active bacteria Lactobacillus, Acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microorganisms, i.e. increase the population of microbes helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbes. X. Clostridium. Probiotic products are available in various forms like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, dark chocolate, miso soup, pickles, oils, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, microalgae, seafood like spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, etc. These products form the colonies of useful microbes in alimentary canal and control other microbes and their metabolic activities, improve resistance and lower the ill effects of harmful substances formed during metabolic activities. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Bread. Different types of breads are produced from flour of cereals. Dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt and other necessary materials with flour. Due to fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide, CO2, and ethanol. Dough rises up due to CO2 and the bread becomes spongy. Compressed yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. It is available in dry, granular form for domestic use. Yeast produced for commercial use contains various useful contents like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, various vitamins, and minerals. Due to this, bread and other products produced with the help of yeast become nutritive. Ingredients like vinegar, soy sauce and monosodium glutamate, Ajinomoto, that are used in presently popular Chinese food are produced by microbial fermentation. Vinegar production. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup, chutneys. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid. Ethanol, an alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon, like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar molasses, starch of the roots. With the help of yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae, mixture of bacterial strains like Acetobacter and Gluconobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Acetic acid is separated from mixture by rarefaction. Acetic acid is bleached with the help of potassium ferrocyanide. Then, it is pasteurized. Finally, very small quantity of SO2 gas is mixed to produce vinegar.